Go on, James. Impressive disturbance coming in. It should be out of here early on Sunday, but then that is going to drag in a much cooler air. And look at these temperatures. There's been a lot of listen to it. I want to run to the car, but I don't want to run to the car if it's like this.